Barrow, and I'm on the red team along with Ashish Daniel and Benjamin Thomas. Our station is the filter wash station. I'm going to cover the system background, what our system is, and what variables we use. Then I'm going to cover the experiment, what ranges we did for both the steady state and the step up. And I'm going to cover the results for each of those and then conclusions. This is our system, and on the right side, here are the valves, and for our system, both of these are closed. This is a block diagram. Our input is the motor power, and then goes through the pump system, and then our output is flow measured in pounds per minute. For the SSOC, we ran tests from 0 to 100% in increments of 20%. And for the step response, we did 3 step ups, starting from 40% up to 100%, and then 3 steps down from 100%. And these are also done in increments of 20%. This is one of our results. This is when we input 100% power into the motor, and the average output was 38.9 pounds per minute. This is the average is based on when the system reaches steady state. This is our steady state operating curve. The red line denotes where the operating range is, and this is from 60 to 100% input. And the slope of that was found to be 0.48 pounds mass per minute per percent input. This is one of our runs that we did on a step up from 40 to 60%. We used the fit2 to find the dead time, time constant, and the gain. For this particular run, we found that the dead time was 0.5 seconds, the time constant was 0.8 seconds, and the gain was 0.4 pounds per minute per percent input. This is the averages of each of our runs for the step-ups. This is the dead time graph. The average over all of them was 0.43 seconds. This is the time constants for each of our runs, and the averages for these was 0.78 seconds. And for the gain, our average was 0.42 pounds per minute per percent. Some conclusions that we can come to from these results: that the operating range for the filter wash station with both valves closed was 60 to 100%. The slope of the steady state operating curve was 0.48 pounds per minute per percent, and the operating range of the output was 19.7 to 38.9 pounds per minute. From the step up, we can conclude that the dead time average was 0.43 seconds, the time constant average was 0.78 seconds, and that the average gain was 0.42. And we can also see that the slope of the SSOC is similar to the average gain that we found from the step up function. Here are references, and are there any questions?